Hello dear students, welcome to my class Physics in Your Life. Today we are going to study few concepts of electricity. This chapter belongs to class 10th and this video is prepared by Tushar Bharadwaj. So let's get started. Objectives. You will be able to define the term electricity, distinguish between its types, define charge, and write the characteristics of charge or the properties of charge after completion of this lesson. Okay. What is electricity? It is very important part of our day-to-day life. Okay, without electricity we cannot think of anything. So it is defined as the study of charges at rest or in motion. Okay. We have to study the charges which are at rest or the charges which are in motion. The study of these types of charges is called electricity. Okay. So electricity is categorized into two parts: charges at rest and moving charges. So the study of charges at rest is called static electricity and the study of moving charges is called current electricity. Okay, we have to focus on this electricity, current electricity. Okay, it means we have to study those charges which are in motion. Okay, so first we have to understand the concept of charge. What is charge? Electric charge is the physical property of matter that causes it to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. What does this statement means? Basically charge is the inherent property of matter that feels force of attraction or repulsion due to excess or deficiency of electrons. Electrons are the negatively charged particles. Okay, and protons are the positively charged particles. Okay, these are the two types of charges. Okay, negative charge and positive charge. So its SI unit is Coulomb because the scientist Coulomb discovered this physical quantity charge and it is denoted by Q. And charge is detected and measured by using a device called electroscope. Hope you heard about this device in class 8th. Okay, so let's move forward. Characteristics of charge. What are the characteristics of charge or the properties of charge? First is total charge of the system is conserved. What does it mean? The total charge of the universe is conserved or constant. We cannot change, we cannot destroy, we cannot create charge, total charge. It is a constant property. Okay, and second one is the easy one, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. The third one is the important one, charges are quantized in nature. Now what is the meaning of this quantized? Quantization of charge means that every body or object or material has the charge equal to the integral multiple of electrons. Okay, integral multiple of electrons. This means that only Integral means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Number of electrons can be transferred from one body to another body. Charges are not transferred in fractions. Basically, this statement means this. Okay, if we have to transfer the charge, so we have only one choice, that only the integral number of electrons or charge can be transferred. Okay, so suppose Q is the total charge on the system. If we have a box and we call it that box as a system, okay, and that box contains 10 number of electrons. Okay, so what will be the total charge on that box, on that system? If we multiply 10, the number of electrons, and the electronic charge, if we multiply these two values, we will easily get the total charge on the system, and the value of electronic charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Is it clear? This is the very important formula, first formula of this chapter, and very important formula. Okay, I hope you understood this small concept of electricity and charge. Thank you.